Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. So let's start with 4 ways of getting into somewhere. Just double checking there isn't a 5th, I can't see any, so we'll start with this. They are indeed a group. Credentials for entry. What next? There's Miss Marple. She's a detective in the Agatha Christie books. There's Jack Reacher. I'm wondering if he's technically a detective. Cross and Bosch and Ryan could all be surnames of detectives as well. I just don't know which 4 of those would go together. So we'll come back to that. A stretch, a period, a span, and an interval. That's got to be a group, hasn't it? They're all a duration. What else? These are the ones that are not surnames. So do these 3 go together and it's going to be 4 of the others? Is there a word that can mean all 3 of these things? Are we talking something that's fair versus unfair, or are we talking fair as in a fun fair? Yeah, basically, are we talking unfair or funfair? I don't know. What's another word for a psalm? It's got a silent P, but clearly none of the others have got enough silent letters to form a group. I don't know. I mean, it feels like it's going to be those 3 probably plus cross. Cross is the least likely or the most likely to be used in a sense other than a surname. But I'm really not certain what those 4 could be. Which is a bit frustrating, because it feels very likely that it's going to be these 4. I just don't know what links them. Let's try them. Oh, it's 1 away. Well, it's surely got to be these 3. Marple, cross. I mean, actually, that is palm plus a letter added. That's fir plus a letter added. That's poplar plus a letter. And that's maple. So actually, it's going to be marple rather than cross that comes out. So actually, maybe they're just all... Yeah, so those are trees plus a letter. These 4, they might not be detectives anymore. They might be like action stars, like Jack Reacher, that sort of thing. I can't remember the name for it. Yeah, crime series protagonists. That'll do. So I worked out what was going on in the end. I'm just annoyed that I made that 1 mistake. I should have worked out the trees quicker. But we still solved the puzzle. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching and bye for now.